friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the M&M and the M&M experiment, and you could use other candy too. The materials we need are plates and M&Ms, any other candy, cold water and hot water. And so now let's get started. First, you need a plate, and then you need to pour out the M&Ms on there. And now let's put them on. We need to put them on the side. Okay, and now we're done. Now let's pour some water. We need to pour them from the middle. First, I'm pouring cold water in here. And now we need to wait. Do you see that? It kind of came out. There, right there. Let's move this line a little bit. Look at this one. This one is really big. The blues, there are 4 blues in a row there, so that's really good. Anyway, those are actually the cold waters, so they're coming really slow. And let's put this one to the slide and to the side and shake back on it later on. Careful. Okay, now let's do it with the Smartles. Let's see if it works first. Okay, now let's also do some of the other M&Ms, the big ones. What? So big! And look at this. It's so whirly over. These ones got mixed up. That's so cute. And let's check back on it later and see how it's later on. Now, let's pour some cold water into this one. Well, we just poured cold water, so let's pour warm water into this one. And look at this now. It's so cool. And over here, there's like a mix of colors. Right there, there's brown, and there's blue, yellow, green. But there's still no color in the middle yet. It'll still take them some time. And here, they're starting to get work here. The Smartles doesn't look like they're working. Maybe they'll take some more time. And look back at this. And because these two are together, it's making a blue color. And all of these got mixed up when we moved them to the side. So it looks so cool now. And do you see the red one? It kind of looks like a claw. Or a tree root. Or the bottom of a tree. And here's the trunk. The bottom trunk. I mean, it looks like a tree stump or a small volcano. Okay, and back here, the yellow ones and the Smartles, I don't think they're working. Yes, the Smartles are not working, but the other ones, they're working really good. Cause look, do you see the blue one? We could see it really well. The blue and the yellow, we could see it really good. We cannot see the green that well because it's not that thick. Maybe we could see it well later on, or if we put another one side to it. And look at this. This is getting kind of swirly now. It's much, now this kind of looks like it's getting brown. And do you see here? It looks so cool. The red is still so cool. And with because the yellows are all around the red, it looks like lava coming out of a volcano. Do you see it? Red and yellow lava. And this one completely dissolved. There's still a tiny bit, but it's almost over. And the other ones too, they don't. I don't see the color of it anymore. I could only see the chocolate inside. So the color is gone away, especially for this one. And for these three, there's no color left. And these still have a little color left. And these have a lot. And back here, because the Smartles are not working, so the M&Ms are going all around the place. Do you see it? They're coming all the way until here because the Smartles are not working. Hey, do you notice what I noticed? When I moved one of the Smartles, the color is moving too. Do you see that? The whole color. Wait, oh, the Smartles are working. See? I could see a tiny bit of red there. So the Smartles are working. See? There's a little red. This is the red. Maybe you thought it was white, but it was actually the red. And do you see this yellow? Half of it's just dissolved. And dissolved means it mixed into it. So we don't see half of the yellow anymore. We still see this side, but not this side. So I guess the Smartles are working, but not all the colors. See, the purple maybe are working, and the orange are not. I think the Smartles need a really long time. I think they need a long time. And check back here. The whole plate is covered now. Look, I could see a tiny strip of blue there. Do you see it? It's a small strip of blue. Now let's mix it up. And over here, do you see it? It looks like a shark fin. And they kind of look like they have lines on it. Ready? Then go. Okay, they're mixing up now. Hey, the M is still there. I could still see the M. Okay, now we're done. See, this is finished, but I moved it, bloated, so now it kind of looks like brown, and these in the edges could still see yellow and orange a bit. And back here, do you see this strip? It looks so cool. The yellow goes right through the middle, breaking the blue. You see, if the yellow was not there, then the whole thing in the middle would be blue. But because the yellow strip was there, it was not blue, the whole thing. And still, the red was the only thing that worked. The others didn't work. Now let's do another one with another design with smaller M&Ms. Oh, I don't dare. It's too hard. You come back there, Mr. Smartle. And move over. I guess when we put it down, the yellow strip kind of bent down here. See? It bent down. Okay. Let's do another one with smaller M&Ms. And these ones are in a container. And there are a lot of them. First, let's see like those. Wow, there are so many colors. And do you see that because they're so small, they put a lot of them in there. And look at this. This is the tiniest one, and it looks and this is an oval, while the others are circles. So we put that there and there. How about we do like blue, purple, orange, blue, purple, orange. Okay, now that's enough of that pattern. And look at that! It looks so cool. And in Spanish, ooh la la! Okay, now are you ready for water? Which water should we pour? Hot or cold? How about cold for this one again? And back here, do you see most of them has lost all of their color? They're just chocolate now. There's no color on them. Okay. Water from the middle. Oops.
Small M&Ms?
These are so small. They're like mini. They're mini M&Ms. Oh, yummy, mini. Yummy M&M. Yummy. And look, they already started. Let's pour the rest.
Why put in only middle in water?
Because then it will go to the whole place. Then it could go that way, that way, that way, that way. Then it will spread.
No, they are moving.
Yeah. And see, they already started. And it looks so cool already. Wow. And I'm sure that we could do another one with these mini M&Ms because they are so small. there are a lot of them. And look, they made such a beautiful color.
Oh, mini M&M's is working fast.
Yeah, even though it's cold water and it has to go slow, it's going fast for the mini ones. Way faster than this, because for the mini ones, when I was pouring, it was starting already, and these were not. These took like 10 seconds or 20 or so to start getting the color. And look at that, they look like arrows. Arrows.
Yeah, so.
And these looks like curves. It is so amazing. It's still not over yet, but over here, do you see that? The green kind of looks like a yellow, because there are 3 oranges here. It looks like a big, fat, or thick arrow here, pointing that way. And these are pointing that way, these are pointing that way. And look, they're stopping right here. Both of the arrows stop right here because this yellow and blue line stops all of these arrows. Because they go straight out and stop these arrows. And the green one, because there's only one, and over here, the yellow and blue it's making green. And the yellows, instead of being an arrow, the yellow and orange, these 3, they stopped being an arrow and became straight lines. But these, still arrows. And these kind of look like a rainbow, because they're not arrows from this, or from like, yeah, from the purple. From the purple to the orange, they actually look like a rainbow, because, well, not in the great order of the rainbow, but they do look like a rainbow. Because like they're in curves instead of pointed triangle, like the arrows. And I think they became much bigger than we saw before. See, before they were like right here or here, and now they came all the way to here. There's still a little gap here left. And the red, so small, and this blue, so small. Okay, now let's try for 1 minute and how it looks. And already it became much bigger. Before it was right here, and now right here. Okay, and it looks so cool. OMG. Okay, now let's check back in 1 minute. Bye. Now we're back. And look at this. It's finished. And in the middle, right here, it kind of looks like that lightning just struck. There's lightning there. And it's so cool. It is amazing. Truly amazing. It's the best experiment, well, the second best experiment that I ever tried. It looks so cool with all of these colors. And thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe.